In Bozeman, a new facility is offering emergency care for people going through a mental health crisis. KPAX's Gabby Crevitt has more.
When we think about emergencies, we think 911 and the emergency room. But what about a mental health crisis? Well, now there's a new resource in town that might help change the way we treat people having a mental health crisis in the community. Behavioral health experts in Gallatin County say the need for increased access to mental health services is not new. But throw in a global pandemic and a stay-at-home directive, and the need becomes dire.
We see anxiety, we've seen depression, and unfortunately, as the sheriff reported, we have also seen a major uptick in suicides in Gallatin County. And we saw this as a second public health crisis.
The Help Center in Bozeman has offered a 211 crisis hotline for those experiencing a mental health emergency for years. Now they've partnered up with Bozeman Health and the Western Montana Mental Health Center to create an urgent care for those needing immediate services.
Urgent care allows us to rethink and reteach how we experience a mental health emergency and/or just our daily mental health.
We needed to find a way to make it easily accessible for people to get help, but we also didn't want people in an emotional crisis going to the emergency department where there will be other people who are ill and they're physically well.
Services include crisis interventions, psychiatric evaluations, medication management, and on-the-spot counseling.
We believe urgent care allows people to access mental health care and health care needs on their schedule.
In Bozeman, Gabby Crevitt, MTN News.
If you're looking for help with mental health issues, you can contact the Western Montana Mental Health Center here in Missoula.